Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can fix iPhone keyboard not showing up. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, the thing I'd recommend doing is trying your best to trigger that specific keyboard. So what this looks like is pretty much just tapping on an area that requires text. So in this case, on the notes, we'll just go and keep clicking on that place that, and you want to keep tapping on it until your keyboard actually pops up. Now your keyboard may actually never pop up in this type of app. So what the next thing I'd recommend doing is making your way over to a different application. So literally any other application that requires a keyboard, and you want to tap into another text box that requires your keyboard. Now you want to pay very close attention. If your keyboard is still not popping up, even in other applications, well then there is a problem with your keyboard. But if your keyboard actually does open up on other applications, except the one you're going in, you may just want to update that specific application. So make your way over to your app store, and you just want to load up that specific application and actually update that application. Now, if your keyboard is still not opening up in other applications, what you want to do is you want to make your way over to your iPhone settings. You then want to scroll down until you see General. Then you want to go ahead and tap on iPhone keyboard. Now access the keyboard tab from the top of the page. Make sure you have some keyboards. If you don't have any keyboards, what I would recommend doing is clicking Add New Keyboard, and you want to click whichever keyboard language you have, and you want to make sure you add a keyboard. So you can add QWERTY and any of these other keyboards that you want. This will surely fix the problem you are facing. So that's basically how you can fix iPhone keyboard not showing up. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.